Buongiorno ragazzi, or I should say buonasera. Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome to Wednesday Word of the Day, or Word of the Day Wednesdays. If you can't guess what this is, it's actually an octopus. And hats off to the wonderful artist that came up with this and that put this together. Really caps off on a job well done. And as you can tell, it has 8 large tentacles. Okay. Just gonna walk around so you can see the magnificent work that was done. Let's count. Let's get some numbers in here. So you got 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, quattro, 5, cinque, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, Otto. So for the word octopus, polpo, the octopus, il polpo, an octopus, un polpo. Octopuses, polpi, the octopuses, I polpi. Just gonna get in on this fabulous work up close. Hopefully this video was tranquil and soothing and relaxing for you as it was for me. I'm just going to let this sit and relax for a little bit so that you can enjoy the natural sounds of the water. And now I'm going to zoom out so you see a broader perspective. Ciao, alla prossima.